Good morning! Wiki Wiki! Good morning, Spider-Man and Sonic. Where is your Spider-Man, Nate? Wiki Wiki! Time to wake up!
No.
Good morning! Spider-Man! Wiki Wiki, Spider-Man! Wiki Wiki! Good morning, good morning! Good morning, Pod! We're going home today! Kuya Pod! Time to wake up! It's late already. So you can eat some breakfast. So you can eat breakfast before we leave. Look at that butt there. Look at that butt. Morning! Nathan boy!
What?
Wake up now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Get up now so you can eat some breakfast. Uwian na. Uwian na. Tapos na kami mag-coffee. So sila na lang yung wait, oh. Wait. Get up. Get up. Where's my morning kiss? Where's my hug and kiss, Langga? Where's my hug and kiss, Lalang? No.
Good morning.
Morning. Where's my kiss? Shush. Okay, go pee now. Go to the bathroom now. Go. Go to the bathroom now. And then, lagay na natin to sa luggage. And then, nasa luggage. Manonood ng TV yung isa, oh. Nandito kami ng hobby ko. And, oh boy. And then, ito yung luggage namin. So, yun lang. Kunti lang yung dala namin. Ito yung mga luggage namin. Okay. Empty. 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 Okay, let's go now. Mahirit pa talaga tong dalawa eh. Ayan. Ready to go. Wala nang mga gamit. Nasa car na. Tingnan muna natin ang view bago umalis. Ayan. Bye. Andun na sila. Oh boy. We are going home. Uwian na. Ikot-ikot. Grabe, ang ganda. Diyan kami uminom ng coffee kanina pagising namin. Oh. And andito na kami. Uwian na. Tama namin ang aking mother-in-law. Ayan yung car niya. Sa amin. Ayan.
Where's the postcard at?
It's in my bag. Inside. Yeah.
I know she said it was, but who knows? Let me look at it. Making fun of her cursive, right?
Yung mother-in-law ko. Susunod kami sa kanya.
That looks like an arm.
Good morning, everyone. Uwian na. Hi, Nate.
Hi. Hi.
Are you excited to go home?
Not really.
Okay.
Go back to school.
I have
And then ready for school?
no.
And new games? So this is it. By summer.
No.
By summer.
We still have four
Well,
days left.
I always
No.
officially considered summer like summer break. That's
Yeah.
summer. When I was a kid, the
Oh,
break
di
from school is
ana.
the summer.
Ay! 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 Ay!
So ito yung mamimiss ko sa lugar na to. Napakatahimik at ang ganda lang tingnan ng paligid. So enjoy lang natin ang view kasi after nito magwe-winter na naman at hindi na natin makikita yung mga dahon na green na yan. Magiging brown na yan siya pag fall to winter. Rin kami hanggang dulo. Ayan, magta-travel na naman kami. More than 4 hours drive. Ayan, so mahaba na naman ang biyahe namin ngayon.
Guys,
they don't mind, like those, a lot of those animals are African. They probably don't mind the heat at all.
Yeah,
like the emus and the
stop by dito sa ano guys. Bili ako ng facial tissue kasi wala na akong tissue. Naubos na yung tissue ko sa aking sipon. Hanap tayo ng tissue. Walang nga tissue data dito eh. Oh, here. Tissue. Wala namang tissue dito. Ibang tissue yan eh. Dito sa kabila. So, no choice guys. Ito lang yung available nila. Tumutulo na yung sipon ko. Hi, Nathan boy, we are here.
Yeah, I'm happy.
You happy? Look at here. Aww. So, hindi, nagsuka yan siya guys, pero isang bisis lang, tapos konti lang. And we are here. So, yan o. Kumakain pa siya ng Doritos. Okay. Bring your stuff. All of them.
Can't bring all of them.
Okay, just bring what you can then.
Just these.
Okay. Go bring it. Take it.
Take
Get out.
this.
Yeah. Bakasyonista, oh.
I was eating.
We are home. Lakas ng hangin. Ang aking bulaklak, oh. Ang aking bulaklak. Look at my flowers. Mga bulaklak na. Let's go, Nay.
Buddy.
Hi there!
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing, Kuya?
We're 1v1ing in Black Sky O.
Nathan
And
boy!
I'm breaking into
Yan, busy na silang dalawa. Kakauwi lang namin. Kakarating lang, laro agad. Kasi ano ngayon guys, Sunday. And Sunday kasi is Chromebook day nila. Kaya ayan, pagdating, sabi ko magugas ng kamay. Tapos ayan, laro na silang dalawa. Tapos ako naman, magliligpit ako sa mga gamit namin. Tapos ayan, dahil nag-swimming yan sila doon, lalaban ko na kaagad yung mga basa na ano namin. Dala namin na damit. Tapos yung hobby ko naman, pumunta sa store kasi para bumili ng hapunan namin. Tapos, ayan.
well, I don't even have a sword.
So, free na ako gumawa ng mga, free na ako magligpit ng mga gamit namin. Tapos, silang dalawa, maglalaro lang yan sila. Sunday kasi ngayon. So, whole day yan sila. Ngayon is, na 12. 12 o'clock. So, siguro, hindi na kami mag-snacks na lang. Tapos, mamaya, medyo, agahan na lang namin yung hapunan. Tapos, yung lola, wala pa. Ayan. So, mas nauna kami sa kanya.